All right, Aldi special buy time. This is the Adventuridge Foldable Lantern. Inside the box you get the lantern itself, USB-C charging cable, and the manual. The manual says to charge it fully before first use indoors. First up, there's silicone cover here to keep it weatherproof. Pop it open and you've got the USB charging port. I'm charging it by a USB. The battery indicator flashes while it charges. A full charge takes about 10.5 hours. And once all 4 LEDs are on, that's 100% fully charged. Quick note from the manual, you can't use the light while it's charging. You can also charge it with solar. Just switch it off, pop in a sunny spot, and it'll charge from the sunlight. Once charged, this is power button. Pressed it to turn on the light on. It's got 4 foldable panels and 1 fixed panel. There's a hook on top too. Hang it in a tent or a garden. Just keep it away from the heat and moisture. When you're done, it folds completely flat. It has 7 modes total. Side light strong, side light weak, main light strong, main light weak, both together plus SOS function. And the best part, it's a power bank. Open the USB port, plug your device into the power bank USB port, and it'll start charging your phone. The manual also says to charge it for 2 hours every 4 months to keep the battery healthy. Adventuridge lamp from Aldi, lantern, power bank, solar charger, all in one. Would you pick one up? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share,